Hey, this is Brian at Grumpy's Diesel Service. People often ask us to install their own parts or to install parts that they purchased at a discount auto parts store. The problem with those parts is you don't really know the quality of those parts. Oftentimes they're made in China, places like that. So that's why we use quality OE parts. So that you know that you're getting a quality repair and not a cheap repair. We had a customer that was he was in here getting his vehicle wrote up, and there was another customer here that was waiting also, and he had his parts that he had procured somewhere else. And the customer, and it was a regular customer, told him, he says, you can't afford a cheap repair. And that was, and the guy says, it kind of like his light bulb went off, and so he ended up taking his parts back, and we did the repair.
Cool.